If you've been feeling drained, overwhelmed, or like your energy just isn't what it used to be, you're not alone. Maybe you're still showing up every day, still taking care of everything you need to, but inside, you feel like you're running on empty, like something important has slowly slipped out of balance. I know that feeling well, and I want you to know it doesn't have to stay that way. What I've learned is that it isn't just about being tired. It's about how stress, responsibility, and constant pressure slowly disconnect us from our energy, clarity, and even ourselves. My name is John Curran, and this is the work I focus on. I work with people who are ready to take back their energy, regain control of their health, and reconnect with their lives in a more meaningful way. Most of them have spent years putting others first, and now they're ready for something different. Not quick fixes, not temporary motivation, but real, sustainable change. Because when we start looking at what's actually draining your energy, physically, mentally, and emotionally, you can begin rebuilding from the inside out. And slowly you start to feel clearer, more grounded, more like yourself again. If this resonates, you can book a free 30-minute conversation with me. No pressure, just a simple conversation to see where you are and what might help. And maybe the first step towards rebuilding your energy, your clarity, and your life.